Sometimes we have to do small operations with our different systems, such as CRM, and we have to put a client into a CRM, or maybe unsubscribe someone from our mailing list because this is the request that we got. And these small things usually take us out of context. So every little thing like this can take 20 minutes from our attention span. And this is really useful to have small actions such as adding people or removing them from the list right here in Alice. So for example, for MailerLite, I have an action to remove or add subscriber, and you can do it for ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, whatever service you like. I just activate this small snippet. What I can simply state is that I want to add Alice with this address to business newsletter. And I have different mailing lists, and one of them is business, so it should be correctly added. So subscriber has been added to business and automation newsletter. That's great. And also I can do the same and I can remove this user. So remove Alice from business newsletter. And the second automation, like the second path of this automation, will just remove the subscriber alice.techsystems.com from newsletter, biz, and automation. So that's very straightforward. That's very simple. And this snippet looks like this. I'm going to show you this MailerLite. Again, very simple, but I have the email, the groups, the event, and name that I pass to the automation, and the group names that I have specifically in MailerLite so that I can match them with just casual language inside of Alice. This all is being sent to a webhook URL, and it goes to make, and from there, I just switch the appropriate newsletter group, and then I create or update a subscriber. And depending on whether I need to add or remove a subscriber, I'm just going to go this path and return the answer to Alice. So again, super straightforward and simple scenario. And it will take you 30 minutes to hook it up, and you'll have these little small actions in Alice that can save a lot of time because you don't have to log in constantly to Pipedrive to add someone to CRM or to any other software to create like a very simple thing. This way, I have a lot of different actions that also connect to my websites and my services. And I can, for example, say to Alice that I want to add someone a 30-day trial for a subscription, or maybe I want to make a refund for a client. And it also works like this. So it's super easy. And many small actions like this can help you save a lot of time and effort and attention span throughout the day.